Hello and welcome to Quick Tips, the WooCommerce video series. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add a free AI assistant on your WooCommerce website. The name of the plugin is StoreAgent. Using this plugin, you can add an AI chatbot on your WooCommerce website. You can use this AI tool to generate product description, short description, tags, and review summary. Let me show you an example. Here, I'm on the WooCommerce website, and in the bottom right-hand corner, you will see an AI assistant that I have added to this WooCommerce website. This AI tool will go through all the products on your WooCommerce website, and it will use that information to answer the queries. Let me ask the question, do you have dark blue jeans? Here is the answer. Yes, we have several styles of blue jeans available, and you will see links to some products. If I click on it, it is going to open that product. Let me ask another question. What is starting price of blue jeans? All right, so you will see the answer. The starting price for the blue jeans is $150. And you will again see some links to the products. You can see that this AI assistant has gone through all the products on the website, and it has given the proper answers based on the products that you have on your website. Now here I'm on the product edit page, and you can see that I can generate the description using AI. I can also generate product short description using AI. I can generate tags for the product, and I can also use AI generated a review summary. So there are different AI features that you can add to your WooCommerce website. You can start with the free plan. First, you will need to create an account on StoreAgent website. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. If you like it, you can go for the paid plan. Here you will see the features of the free and the paid plan. In this video, I'll show you how you can install the free StoreAgent plugin and how you can use the AI features on your WooCommerce website. So let's see how does this work. So here I'm logged into the dashboard of the WordPress website. This is a demo of WooCommerce website. And now we are going to install the StoreAgent plugin. Before installing the plugin, you can create an account on their website. You can start with the free plan, or you can go for any one of these paid plans. I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So let's go back to the website, go to dashboard and go to plugins and click on add new plugin. Here search for StoreAgent. This is the plugin, StoreAgent, WooCommerce AI chatbot and AI content tools. Click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so the plugin is installed and it is activated. In the left hand panel, you will see the option StoreAgent. And when you click on it, it will open the dashboard of the StoreAgent. So first, you will need to connect your website with your StoreAgent account. So click on connect to StoreAgent. Now it is asking you to allow this website to connect to your StoreAgent account. I'm already logged into my StoreAgent account. That's why it shows logged in as your name. If you're not logged in, you will get an option to log into your account and then approve. In this case, I'm already logged in and I have this option to approve. So I'm going to approve. So now this website will be linked to my StoreAgent account and I can use the StoreAgent application. Now it says a small setup wizard. We will go through this setup wizard. So click on start your setup. What options do you want to use? Choose your content tools. You can create image alt tags using AI. If you want that, you can check this option. Category description using AI. You can check that option. Other options are product tags generator using AI and product summaries, product description, review summaries. So by default, these four options are checked. If you want to check these options, you can check these options. I'm going to keep it as it is and click on next step. The next step is set up AI chat. If you want to use the AI chat option on your website, you will need to enable this option. Yes, I would like to use StoreAgent chat. And below that, you will see what content would you like to feed the AI chatbot. So this AI chatbot will go through all the pages on your website, whatever options you select here. By default, the products option is selected. So the AI chatbot will go through all the product pages, shop pages, and gather all the information from your WooCommerce website. If you want the AI chatbot to go through all the other pages, post, floating elements, templates, then you can check these options. Let's say you are running a blog on your website and you want the chatbot to go through all the blog content, you can check this option post, and it will go through all the blog posts on your website. It will gather all the information from all the blog posts and use that information as the content for the AI chatbot. So I'm going to keep it as it is. It will go through only the products and it will take all the information from the WooCommerce products. I'm going to click on complete setup. Alright, so the setup is completed. It shows current plan is free. However, I'm using the pro version. Let me show you. Here I'm logged into my dashboard. This is the StoreAgent AI dashboard. If I go to connected sites, you will see that I have now this new website connected to my StoreAgent account. If I go to my subscription, you will see that I'm using the pro plan, that is $49 per month. All right, let's go back to website. Let's click on back to dashboard. It is still working on it. Let's go to settings under StoreAgent. All right, and here you will see AI content tools which are enabled. We did not enable these two options. However, if you want, you can enable these two options also. I'll show you how you can use them. Next to that, we have AI chat, which is enabled. You will see it here. From here, you can customize the chat widget for the website. It is now enabled. And this is the greeting message. Hi there, I'm your real-time smart AI assistant. Ask me anything about our products. If you want to change this greeting message, you can change it. You can also use placeholder text. This is the name of the AI assistant. Let me save it and let me show you. If I go back to website, refresh it, and if I go to one of the product pages, it will be shown on the products pages or the pages related to WooCommerce. Here in the bottom right hand corner, you will see this option. If I click on it, it is going to open the chat widget. This is the name of the widget, AI assistant. If you want to change it, you can change it. Let's say quick tips. This is the status text, which is online, and this is avatar. If I show you here, I can change it. Let's change it quick tips. Let's save the settings and let's refresh it. Let's refresh it, and now you will see the changes here. This is the name of the AI assistant, and this is what you see in avatar, and this is the greeting message. Below that, you will see AI personality, communication tones. You can select up to 3 tones. I'm going to select professional, conversational, and informative. Now let's go to styles, and from here you can change the style settings. The first option is positioning for desktop, tablets, and mobile. If you want, by default it is open. You can enable it from here, so whenever someone goes to that page, it will open this chatbot by default. Then we have colors. You can change the colors to match your brand color. So I'm going to change the color. I'm just selecting some random colors. All right, these are the color settings. Then we have post type. Where do you want to show? Right now it is set to only on products pages. If you want to show this AI assistant on all the pages, you can select all the pages also. So it will be shown on all the pages. Let's go to display. Display on post type is set to products. You can also change it to pages. Right, and then we have advanced. Disable preview mode in admin. When enabled, the chat widget shown in this admin settings page will connect to the real backend API. Right, let's click on save advanced settings and let's go back, refresh it, and you will see the change in the colors. Now let me ask the question. Let's say I have another product here. This is blue hoodie, so I'm going to ask, do you have hoodie on your store? Now it is going to think. It is going to go through all the products and it will give you the answer. All right, so yes, we have several hoodies available in our store. Here are a few options: black hoodie, blue hoodie, and it has also given us the links. If I click on it, it is going to open that product page. This is how it works. If I go to the chat widget again, it is going to remember the chat. So you will see the chat history is there. Let's ask a price for dark blue denim jeans. What is the price of dark blue denim jeans? Enter it. All right, so you will see the answer. The price of the dark blue denim jeans is $150. Would you like more information about the jeans or anything else? So this is how it works. It will go through all the products and it will gather the information from your own website itself. All right, now let's go back. These are the AI chat settings. Let's go to connections. We are already connected. You are connected to your StoreAgent account. If I go to tools, these are the tools. Let's go to product pages and let's see how does this work. If I go to all products and let's open one product from here. Let's go to edit. Now this is a demo WooCommerce website and I do not have actual products on this website. Right now here we are on the product page. This is the title. Below that we have description. In this case I'm using Elementor. In your case you may be using the default Gutenberg to add the description, and you will see an option to create a description, generate with AI. When you click on it, it is going to generate description for your product. That you will see product short description. If you click on it, it is going to use AI to generate the short description for your product. If you want to add product tags, you can click on generate with AI and the AI will create tags based on your product. And this is AI generated a review summary. Here it will show the review summary. If I click on generate with AI, it is going to take some time and it is going to generate the summary using AI. Meanwhile, let's go back. Let's go to StoreAgent dashboard. Let's go to settings again. And if I go to connection, you will see the details. I'm using the Pro plan and I have used 3 chat messages. I have a limit of 5,000 chat messages in a Pro plan per month. We have vector items and I have used 2 AI actions out of 2,500. If I go to product summaries settings, now how it works, it generates AI powered product summaries, displays a concise summary. Under settings you will see number of product features to include. Then we have missing short description checks. It is going to check if the short description is missing, it will give you that information. And then we have check frequencies. It is going to check it after every 12 hours. And language would be the default language, which is set up as English. Then we have automation, missing short description. This is the automation. Configure automated tasks to help maintain your product short description without manual intervention. If you need more information, you can click on knowledge base and it will go to the knowledge base where you will get all the documentation about this plugin. Let's go back. All right, let's go back to all agents. If I go to product description settings, now under product description settings, you will see the writing tone, what type of tone you want for the product description. So I can select conversation, informative and professional. Age focus, let's set it to, let's select all these options. If you do not want any age focus, you will see that option here also. Below that we have target audience default options. You can select target audience from here. This information will be used to generate the description for your product. Below that we have refund guarantee information. You can add that information here. Description length, short, medium, long. Then we have the language. Once you are done with the changes, click on save changes. Then we have automation here. And this is the information how it works. All right, I just clicked on generate tags with AI and you can see that the tags are generated automatically. So this is how the AI works to generate the description, tags and a review summary for your product page. So if you're looking for an AI assistant for your WooCommerce website, you can definitely try using StoreAgent. You can start with the free trial. If you like it, you can go for a paid plan. If you want to create an account, I'll give you the link in the description box. You can use my link. So that's it for now. See you in the next video.
Do not forget to subscribe to my channel to get more quick tips about online softwares and tools. If you have any questions, please leave us message in comments section. And press the like button if you like the video. Thanks for watching Quick Tips.